up guys, so today this is my video. Let me just itch this little spot here. Can't leave me. Okay, what shall we do today? I'm feeling just rest. Caitlin, what is that you're flying away?
Like this thing. Guys, this thing biting him all the time.
Come back. I'm coming to this person. She's cute. And this is my friend.
What's up, guys?
Anyways, guys, let me just stand here. Let me show you all my mother. Here's my mother. She's lazy. She's tired. Here's my cousin. She's tired. And here's my aunt. She's sleeping. Anyways, get back to me. Where was I? I'm the cutest dog. I'm the only male. The rest of the tree are females. And I'm not lying. Okay. So this is a girl named Bella. Tiny and beauty. And my name is Bear. But whatever. Bye guys.